Hello and welcome to Module 1, Lecture 3, Certification Overview. We're going to explore the MO-110 certification, your roadmap to become a Microsoft Office Specialist Word Associate. By the end of this lecture, you will have a clear picture of what exam is, what is measured, and how you can succeed. The MO-110 exam is officially called the Microsoft Office Specialist Word Associate Certification. It's focused on Word 2019 and Word on Microsoft 365. It's designed for wide audience like students, professionals, administrative staff, and IT workers. Think of it as a global standard to prove your practical Word skills in the workplace. Here are the 5 core skill areas you'll be tested on. Manage documents, insert and format text, paragraph and sessions, manage tables and lists, create and manage references, insert and format graphic elements plus document collaborations. Now let's look at how the exam works. It's a performance-based, that means instead of multiple choice questions, you will complete the task in Word. The exam has 35 to 40 tasks. The duration of the exam is 50 minutes. You need about 700 to 1000 points. The cost is usually between $100 to $120 depending on where you are. So you will need to be comfortable working quickly in Word under exam conditions. Why should you invest your time and money in this certification? It's a proof of professional Word skills. It boosts your employability. It gives you confidence with productivity tools, and it serves as a gateway to high-level Microsoft Office Specialist certification such as Expert and Master. Employers love certification because they sign on reliability and skill mastery. Here we present the simple 4 steps to your roadmap. The first step is to learn and master the fundamentals of Word. The second step is to practice using the actual exam tasks. The third step is to take time and mock exam to get comfortable with the pace. And the fourth step is to schedule and take your MO-110 exam. Consistency and practice are the key to success. Now it's time to summarize. The MO-110 certification validates your Word skills. The exam is 50 minutes long with performance tasks, not theory. Skills covered include document management, formatting, references, and graphics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next module.